This video will demonstrate how to replace the chain guides and pocket wheel on an ELK series hoist. First, the motor side cover must be removed. Remove the 3 screws, the cover, and the gasket. Remove the 3 screws holding the control assembly housing to the hoist body and remove the housing. The interface between the control assembly housing and the hoist body is sealed with an O-ring and may be difficult to remove at first. Wire ties on the opposite side of the hoist may need to be removed to provide enough slack in the wiring for the housing to be removed. Remove the 3 outer chain guard screws and remove the outer chain guard. Remove the 4 chain guide screws and remove the chain guide. Using a pair of snap ring pliers, remove the external snap ring securing the pocket wheel to the shaft. A small amount of rotational play in the pocket wheel is normal. Slide the pocket wheel from the shaft and remove the chain. Note the tri-lobe shape of the shaft and the inside of the pocket wheel, eliminating the need for a key. Remove the inner chain guard. To reassemble, first install the inner chain guard. Slide the chain through the body of the hoist. The chain must be installed so that the weld on the links faces inwards towards the pocket wheel. Slide the pocket wheel into the chain and install the pocket wheel to the shaft. Reinstall the snap ring. Install the chain guide and fasten the 4 screws to the torque value specified in the product information manual. Install the outer chain guard and torque the fasteners to the appropriate value. Using an appropriate O-ring lubricant, lubricate the O-ring on the control assembly housing and slide the housing into the hoist body. Install the 3 screws and torque to spec. Reinstall any wire ties that were removed during disassembly. Install the outer cover and gasket and fasten the screws to spec.